Katanat social welfare jong sarkar Meghalaya hak artrik un opera arajar pusan. Kalashim tino ya bro arpusangut kikena kentai kibiran Nagarta basan hado katlai sinem naga district Chika Balapura Karnataka. Kini kikena kedai kiblalet chathe ban pulih hok nai jilia pusnam arajar arpusan lengbaka kenhuan melatip kum galai senchar cultural society. Kini kena kikentup ikishpongut na East Khasi Hills, nyongun na East Janta Hills, nrengut na West Janta Hills, but iway na West Khasi Hills. Kat kum gajing itu ka District Child Protection Officer ka no touch lakado balayo pelat ini kena na kajakasa ka bagerteng ka Somya Kesanu Pali Student Home. Penu male hadin gajing jurip jok sarkar Karnataka. Hagajing jurip lalap bakani kajakasa kami ojing itu bagajing longjengman kadai ke bamshingan bat ke bambiang satya. Ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights lengbag chairperson ka Agatha K. Zangma kalau ujor halor ka Leisenshire Cultural Society bala betha ban khangno ek jing trekam joka nomor bakam dei ka seng ka beli ojing itu. Nalor kane ka Agatha K. Zangma kalong badan ka meka sarkar ban penti kena ya ka jingsingan ki kena rega babo ya ki standard operating procedure ki baklan ya shawan pa ki kena sabar ke jelab kin pulia. Mentai kini kena lakan tup bahaga tup child in need of care and protection. Batkin syong shipor haka children's home jogi kena kentai ha mau kasiang. Bagatanat social welfare kena trailang bagatanat puri putih ban penlong i bridge course bat ki preparatory class kenang bakin la ban rung biang sya kajing pulia jong kasnem arhajar arpun rio.
We got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098 by the local aids people saying that the children were not able to understand the language. They were being admitted to the government school which teaches Kannada language of all the subjects and they were not able to adjust with the food. They used to cook once in 5 days. Okay, that was being served for the children and there was no proper hygiene also. The water they have to get from the river and they have to drink it. Okay, they should not waste the food. If the food is thrown in the dustbin, they have to eat from the dustbin. Like this much severe condition was there going on. Even if they don't eat,
to beat them. So we have filed an FIR on the warden and also the institution and also on the person who took the children from here to there to on the leave of providing the best education for them and betraying the trust of the parents.
What is the name of the organization?
There in Bagepalli, it is the name of Aim for Seva Trust. Aim for Seva Trust. So this Linsa Society has transferred these kids for the Aim for Seva Trust of Bagepalli, Chikbalapur.
How did you first notice?
Sir, I got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098.
Most of the times that we have received it is through the Leisenshire Cultural Society. So this is one organization that is definitely operating illegally and has been sending children in these kind of conditions.
Can you give the office bearers of that organization?
We have, I'll give it to you. I mean, we have some letters and some, communications that we've made, and most of the times they have refused to give us any answer because they say that they are not an organization. So they are only helping children, but it is not a organization.
Who's running it? Like obviously some people are there.
There are people who we have met, and like I said, I'm not at a place where I can disclose names right now, but whatever action has to be taken will be taken from the SP's office.